Today, we demonstrate you the modernized BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle. The upgraded BMP-3 IFV is a modern transportation and fire support system that has been intensively operated in various environments. High combat capabilities of the vehicle are confirmed by its effective use under harsh climatic conditions, including at hot temperatures and in rugged areas. Both Russian armed forces and the armies of several foreign states operate the vehicle. The BMP-3 is fitted with a unique armament suit that allows operating the land platform as a fire support system, a tank destroyer, or a weapon capable of high-precision engagement of small-sized targets at distances of up to 5,000 meters. The armament suit incorporates a 2A-70 gun launcher, a 2A-72 automatic cannon, and a Kalashnikov PKTM coaxial machine gun, as well as two hull-mounted machine guns. The 2A-70 gun launcher fires high-explosive fragmentation rounds or anti-tank-guided missiles. The vehicle engages enemy's manpower wearing body armor, engineering installations, and modern armored vehicles, including systems with applied explosive reactive armor. The 2A-72 automatic cannon fires a wide range of 30mm ammunition, including armor-piercing and high-explosive fragmentation rounds. It engages ground and aerial targets at distances of up to 4,000 meters. The vehicle's multi-channel combined day-night sighting system with integral laser rangefinder and thermal imaging provides in-time detection, recognition, and identification of various targets around the clock. The armament suit stabilizer allows firing on the move with high accuracy. A multi-fuel engine and a hydromechanical transmission of original design provides high maneuverability performance. The vehicle is capable of crossing water obstacles without any preparation. A specialized variant of the BMP-3, the BMP-3F, is intended for marine units. Both BMP-3 and BMP-3F are capable of firing when afloat. The BMP-3 is fitted with a modern communication suit, a nuclear, biological, and chemical protection subsystem, a fire extinguishing device, a smoke screen layer, and self-digging hardware. A number of vehicles have been designed on the base of the BMP-3, including the BT-3F amphibious tracked armored personal carrier, the Chrysanthema S self-propelled anti-tank guided missile system, the 2S-31 Vena automated self-propelled gun, and the BREM-L armored recovery vehicle. It should be mentioned that the BMP-3 features high potential for further modernization. In particular, the vehicle's protection can be reinforced with an applied armor kit, bar-slat armor, and explosive reactive armor. The ERA kit provides reliable protection against modern anti-tank rocket-propelled munitions with high-explosive anti-tank warheads. The BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicle is the best in its class land platform in terms of overall performance. Dear guests, thank you for your attention. Stay tuned, and we will demonstrate you the latest Russian-designed military machinery.